cars here. I mean, I think Dustin kind of tricked Connor into entering the big race with all these guys, but you never know. It's not going to be about horsepower. Track's going to be cool. It's going to be traction. Connor, sure you don't want to put my slicks on? I think I'm gonna kick your ass. We'll see. Talk's cheap.
...2024 MayDays. For King of the Street, our new winner is Chad Abgush for 87 Motorsports. There's your 10K, Chad.
Alright. Thank you.
No problem. Don't spend it all at once.
We got number one.
If you take it to the bank, you're in trouble.
Who's calling, bud?
Congratulations. Good job. Well done.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told them all that I was soon, soon. Oh, told us to back, I need my broom. I gotta go, I'm looking back, they not even close. I had a 4, now I need a ghost. So glad that I'm ballin', they think I'm a pro. I'm getting sick by the money I gross. They saying whoa, I told them all what this is. I told them all I don't miss. Said it's my time, look at this shit on my wrist. And when they shoot when it's brace, I'm going in a new gear, gotta shift. I cannot stick to the script, I cannot wait. Watch how I get it and flip. It's just how I'm doing this shit that I'm going.
Everybody always underestimates the old truck.
Yeah, well, hey,
You know?
what did your grandmother used to say? You can't judge a book by its cover.
That's right.
That's right.
Well, the best part is, man, I just beat all the race cars.
Yeah.
I wasn't in the street class. I was in the
Well,
race
this
car
ain't-
class.
This is a race car.
Well, that's it. I mean, we were lining up, and Oleg noticed that we had our lug nuts came loose, so we had to back off. Thankfully, the fella gave us the time to tighten them up, and I feel bad that we beat him, right?
Yeah, that's racing, man. It's just it happens. It's racing. It's good. You can't win them all. It's good to see a new guy win. I'm happy about that. Couldn't happen to a nicer guy.